Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, May 6th, and I'm here in the shop with a brand new shop sample. This is called Siren Song, and we have kits for this. It's a gorgeous way to use strips. Isn't it pretty? So let's come right over here and I'll show you the kit. This is the Siren Song quilt kit. The kit includes the pattern, 40 karat crystal strip set, and fabric for the binding. The finished size is 64 by 80, which you saw is nice and big. And there is that strip set from Wilmington Prints that goes in with it. And there's also a black strip set in there as well, or dark, I guess dark gray. So that's now available in the shop and online. We also have the Poolside 2 layer cake. Poolside 2 features reimagined prints from the Palm Springs inspired Poolside collection, plus new prints and colorways to freshen things up. It's perfect for all of your vibrant summer projects. And this is by Ruby Star Society for Moda. And we are expecting some yardage from this collection soon, but sometimes they just don't ship together. So for right now, you can have the layer cakes. This is a fun piece. Look at that one. Looks like tiles. And then we've got women in glasses. That's fun too. And then last but not least, we have these new Riley Blake bindings. So these are 2.5-inch bindings. They are bias cut, and I am really excited about them. If you look at the tiny little seam there, the seams aren't big and chunky, and they're going to be great to use in all kinds of ways. So we have some solid-ish colors over here. These are called shades. It's Riley Blake Shades collection. And then this one is actually a solid black. And then we have some tiny gingham. So we've got the black, the denim, baby blue over to here. And then we've got some diagonal stripes, of course, great for patriotic quilts, great for holiday, Halloween quilts, or anything else you can think of. So if you're coming in and you don't like making binding, or you are just in a hurry and you need some binding, this binding is also extremely affordable. You get a yard of binding for less than $1. So I think it's 8 cents an inch. So 8 cents a linear inch is what you can buy that in, and you can buy any width that you need. So we have that here at our side cutting counter available for you now. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here with more fabric and fun tomorrow. Bye.